Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with our book that is Knowledge World of Class 3 by Seraphic Publications. Hello everyone. Let's begin with our new chapter that is chapter number 18 and books the best gift. You know, books are considered as the best friends for humanity, and if you ever wanted a gift from someone rather for anything you should only ask for a book, क्योंकि बुक की नॉलेज एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आप कभी भी नहीं खो सकते. अगर आपको कुछ जानना है, कुछ समझना है, तो किसी और के पास जाने से पहले यू शुड कंसिडर रादर स्टडिंग इट फ्रॉम द बुक. या तो आप बुक से पढ़िए तो आपको ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, उसकी नॉलेज कभी खोएगी नहीं. So this chapter basically says is books are considered humans' best friends and the best gifts to humanity. They are the best gift to humanity. When you think of school, books come to your mind. जब आप स्कूल के बारे में सोचते हैं तो अक्सर आपके दिमाग में किस चीज़ के बारे में ख्याल आता है, और वो है books. These are various kinds of books which we read in our life. बहुत सारी बुक्स हैं जो हम अपनी लाइफ में पढ़ते हैं, और ऐसी बुक्स के बारे में ही आज हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ने वाले हैं. पहला है यू हैव टू वॉट रीड द क्लूज एंड ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई दीज डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बुक्स. आपको नीचे दिए गए क्लूज को रीड करना है और फिर वो आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि वो किस टाइप की बुक है. Like they are giving you 4 different pictures over here, and this picture is of an encyclopedia. What is encyclopedia? An encyclopedia is a book which consists of information on various topics, on various subjects. Second book is an autograph book. What is an autograph book? An autograph book is a book which consists of personal messages or special signatures taken from special people. Then we have the directory, and this is a book which is actually responsible for storing telephone numbers in it. Next is the atlas. What is the function of the atlas book? An atlas book is a book of maps, and it also consists of thematic information, political information of various continents, countries, etc. present on earth. So this was the work of atlas. Let's now begin with the exercise portion. Let's begin with the first statement. It says a book which helps us find someone's telephone number, and the answer for the statement is directory. The second statement is a book which is used when we want to take out money from the bank, and that book is which book? This book, that is the checkbook. Then the next is a book which gives general information on every subject, and the answer for that is encyclopedia. Fourth question is a book that contains articles, pictures, stories, current affairs, etc. and the answer for this question is magazine. Then a book which has a collection of maps, and the answer for this is atlas. A kind of book used to keep photographs, and this is known as an album. Then we have the seventh, that is a book that gives us the meaning of words, and I am sure that you must be aware of this book. It is known as a dictionary. Then the last book that we have, it is a book in which we collect signatures of people we admire, and that book is known as the autograph book. So this was all about the various kinds of books. Let's now read the quick fact. The Bible, it is a holy book of the Christians, is the largest selling book of all time with over 5 billion copies to be sold and distributed. तो बाइबल इकलौती ऐसी बुक है जिसकी सबसे ज़्यादा क्वांटिटीज़ ऑफ कॉपीज़ जो हैं सोल्ड आउट हुई हैं, और कितनी 5 बिलियन कॉपीज. So this was all about the chapter of our books as our best friend. This was all. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.